Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change language to English on Windows. So first of all, go ahead and click on your Windows. Just go ahead and click on the settings. And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my language right here. And you're going to be able right here to see this is my date and time, and basically you're gonna see right here language at the bottom left corner. If you want to add your native language and it's not there, just go ahead and click add language, and you're gonna be able to choose the language. Let's say for example Espanol, and I'm gonna choose the Espanol. Hit next at the bottom left corner, and then just hit next to install that language. And basically after you downloaded that language, what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead to your administrative language setting, right? And you're gonna just copy the setting, right, by clicking on it, and basically hit the check mark on both. Copy your current setting to welcome screen and system account and new user account, and hit OK, and then hit OK, and now your settings will be applied. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to restart your Windows, and see you in the next one.